when you start spending money on marketing is when you need to make sure that you're organized. That's really when you need to have some sort of CRM, because then it counts, right? Like you've invested something in it, you need to get an ROI. You can't afford, even if you're super small, even if you're doing a deal a month or a couple deals a year and you're spending money, you can't afford for those leads to not be completely like that orange should be squeezed completely, because you've now bet money on it, right? So really, whenever you start marketing, I think it's super important to have some organization down. If that means that you function off of a manila folder and a spreadsheet, fine, right? Like whatever works at the time is what you should do to try to stay organized. And my story is a lot about that too. I mean, I started first with iPhone reminders. I would like talk to Siri and tell her, remind me to do something on Friday. I had paper, I'd print stuff out and I'd write on a folder. Then I went to a spreadsheet and I tried to track expenses in a spreadsheet and track leads in a spreadsheet. And then I got like too complicated. I had too many columns and then I got like lost in my own system, right? So I think like you do something that works, anything. Just do something that works and then start growing. And then you'll eventually see that you need more, right? And when you need more, when you've kind of graduated from like the pen and paper and you need a more like cloud-based system, which you're going to need if you have any other team members, right? Because we almost all of us start in our office, in our garage, and we just bang rocks around and we try to figure it out. Eventually, you're going to have at least one person, a VA maybe. You need to have an ability to share data with each other. And maybe that's Google Sheets for a while. And then that gets too complicated, right? So I don't think that you necessarily need to swallow the whole apple in one bite. You just need to take one little step towards organization at a time. And you'll cross over that barrier. You'll know when you're crossing it, when you start to become like worried that you're going to forget something or a little bit overwhelmed, right? You're like, oh my gosh, if you start thinking, I think I need to hire somebody. You needed to hire them 2 months ago, right? But once you start having those thoughts, then you know that you need more tools, you need more help, you need more support. And then you can look at a CRM system, if that's Left Main, if that's anything else. I don't care. Just get organized and make progressive like steps in a direction, you know?